Which sentence is correct? Let's find out the rule. After he, she, and it, we must use very good verb and plus s. This s is third person, very good, third person singular s, which is super important. So he enjoys playing soccer. That's correct. He enjoying, that's wrong. He enjoys simple, no, that's wrong. Number 2, which sentence is correct? Here is the rule. After he, she, and it in negative sentences, we must use does plus not, and the most important part is verb 1. He don't like, don't wrong. Doesn't, that's correct. But likes, it's wrong. And C, he doesn't like. That's correct. Super easy.